Hi, this is Kevin Wessel with Companies Incorporated, the nation's leading asset protection company. And we're talking today about the Cook Islands Trust, the strongest legal asset protection tool in the world. Now, the Cook Islands are located south of Hawaii. They're in the same time zone. And it has the strongest asset protection case law history in the world. And it's not just theory, but each time it's been tested, it has protected the client's assets. A judge in the U.S. says, "Give me the money." The trustee, who is outside of the U.S. judge's jurisdiction, says, "No, not going to." So a client can control the day-to-day activities. We establish a limited liability company, typically form that in the Caribbean island of Nevis because they have the strongest LLC asset protection laws. And that LLC is 100% owned by the trust. And the client is the manager of the Nevis LLC that controls the trust. And the assets that are held in a bank account, for example, are held in the Nevis LLC that is owned 100% by this Cook Islands Trust. And the client is the day-to-day signatory on the account while the waters are calm. Now, when the bad thing happens, you give the management temporarily of the LLC to the trustee. Now, the trustee of the trust, and now which has become manager of the LLC, is licensed and bonded. By licensed, we mean they went through intensive background checks to get a license, and by bonded, we mean the funds are insured by an insurance company. Plus, we use a 35-year-old trust company. So for client safety and peace of mind, the only time the trustee steps in is when the courts would take the money. So the question is, would you rather have a 100% chance of the money being taken by the courts, or would you rather have a licensed bonded trustee who's never taken a client's money do what you've paid them to do, and that's protect your money? Now, when the bad thing goes away, the string of control, which is the management of the Nevis LLC, goes back to you, and you're back in the driver's seat, and all your money is intact. In the meantime, if you have bills to pay, the trustee can pay them for you. You can have the trustee pay a trusted friend or relative who provides money for you, etc. So you have access to the money, but your legal enemies do not. Now, the bottom line is everything you've worked so hard for is safe and secure. The best asset protection that the trust provides for is liquid assets held offshore. The U.S. judge has jurisdiction over U.S. bank accounts and real estate. So you can put local U.S. real estate in the Nevis LLC that's owned by the trust, or record a lien against the property payable to the Nevis LLC that's owned by the trust. And then when the bad thing happens, it's better to sell real estate, even if you don't want to sell it, than lose it altogether. So if you have questions about the Cook Islands Trust, give us a call at 1-800-959-8819. That's 1-800-959-8819, or visit offshorecompany.com. Thank you.